friends, welcome to second video. Here's a GPS DVD player for Jeep Wrangler from 2003 to 2006. This unit has latest Win6 operation system and 1GB CPU with 1GB RAM. It supports CD sound quality with car audio equalizer settings and HD 1080p video. Let's check out the great functions in it. You can listen to news, pop music, or classic songs by radio function. It supports RDS. You can select channels by program types. And it has AF and TA function. It supports band AM and FM. The GPS navigation system can locate your position and show you detailed information in a 3D map. You will never get lost with this function. It has CSR Bluetooth driver. You can dial numbers on the screen directly. You can also answer calls on the screen. Download phone book. And listen to music from your phone. The DVD player has auto memory and anti-shock protection. It supports DVD, VCD, CD, DIVX format, and 1080p HD video. It supports iPod music. You can connect an iPod or iPhone to it by an iPod cable and enjoy songs from it. You can enjoy MIDI files from external devices via USB port and SD card slot. You can enjoy music freely. The equalizer makes it possible to enjoy perfect audio sound. Now we come to the setting interface. You can set audio, GPS system, languages, car logo, wallpaper, and so on.